This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of heating and HVAC testing equipment, biggest selection and best pricing on the internet, create a free login to see best pricing once logged in. Link in description below.
So this thing's dripping right from here, she said. I need to change it. I'm putting new hoses on there. Where did he say it was dripping? Right from the thing? Or it just don't shut off?
I saw it dripping.
You did see it dripping?
Yes, I did.
Well, I'll put a new one in there with new hoses, I guess. It'll be good. You've seen it dripping.
Washing machine valve replaced.
Alright. That's a Watts. Right there is the one I need. A couple of hoses. She wanted me to leave them old hoses. I said she better change them before the thing blows. Selling the house, but still, you know, don't be stuck on stupid. Don't be stuck on stupid. Those are 5-footers. I want a couple of shorties. A couple of 5-footers is what I want. That's good. Two 5-footers. Put new hoses on there and a washing machine valve. New valve would be good. Look at that. Put a ball cock on it. That's weird. That should be the one right there. I think you got a sprinkler system in it. Look at that. 120 pounds. Wow. That's a lot of pressure. What's the question?
Okay. Can you do both? We need, our furnace is original wood house, 21 years old, 22 years old.
Yeah.
So, can you do both a furnace and an AC?
Yeah, that would be the thing to do. Now, yours is in the basement, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, so it's not that big of a deal because, you know, everything's right there. I mean,
Right.
it's not in the attic or nothing.
No.
That's what you should do. A new furnace
Yeah.
and a new air conditioning. I mean,
Okay.
you're not going to lose no money because when you go to sell the house, I mean, it's going to...
Right. Well, I'm never going to sell. I'll probably die first, but... well, it seems like every summer you have to call somebody and they have to put more Freon.
Yeah.
You know, so
It's time then.
our AC is really, and we got something upstairs in our attic too.
Oh, so it's not in the basement, it's in the attic, the air handler?
Yeah.
I thought it was in the basement. So you got two systems.
Yes, we do. So do you have an idea how much it would cost for both?
I'd have to look, ma'am, you know? The unit in the attic's probably just an air handler, and the one in the basement is probably for heating and cooling, but I'm not sure. I'd have to look.
Okay.
Yeah, it makes sense changing these hoses, because, I mean, really,
Yeah.
if you don't change them, I mean, it's just looking for trouble. I'm surprised that you decide you're going to pay for it. I mean, let the lady pay. She didn't want to pay?
No, she refused to pay. The owner said if they're going to nickel and dime me, well, she's 89 and she gets overwhelmed, you know. I'm just going to not put it on the market. That's it. I'll just keep it because she's got a lot of money. She doesn't care.
She don't care.
No. And the buyers are saying, well, you shouldn't have to pay for it. I'm like, forget it. I'll pay for it. Just forget it. We want the deal to go through.
Yeah, you're just too nice of a person.
Yeah. I take care of these people. Like Larry. Oh, remember his furnace crapped out on me in the middle of winter?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was a nightmare.
You paid for that one too?
No.
I was gonna say, gonna have to adopt me if you're gonna pay for all this stuff like that.
No, I did not pay for his.
Yeah, take a look at them hoses. I mean, they're just old.
Yeah.
I mean,
I know.
you know, when it comes to stuff like this, it's like, I mean, you gotta have some kind of common sense here, you know?
Yeah.
Can't leave them like that. I'm surprised it's even got the washer and dryer. Everything's going. Everything's going, huh?
No, they're keeping it here. Everything is staying here. When you buy something, usually the washer
Yeah,
and dryer,
these,
all the appliances stay.
Okay. Look at how they're all corroded in. I mean.
Oh, yeah.
Just
Okay.
for $30, I mean, really?
Exactly.
You're getting what, 6%? I mean, that's a good little chunk. 6%?
I never got 6%. No.
Well, they negotiate you down?
Usually, all real estate transactions are 5%.
Oh, it's 5.
But then,
Okay.
like I was a listing agent here, so I represented the house. So a broker comes in with a buyer, so she gets half of that. So she gets 2.5%.
Oh, so okay, so it's not as much, yeah.
2.5%, but I only get 60% of that 2.5% because the rest goes to the office.
So you only they make 40 and you make 60?
Out of 2.5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So,
See, I didn't know that.
yeah, most people don't. Most people think, Ann gets whole 5% on this, or even a whole 2.5%. I'm like, no, I don't.
Yeah, you're not making as much as I thought you were.
No.
Oh, I didn't realize that's how it worked.
Yep.
Yeah, so by the time everybody takes a cut, I mean, you're down.
It's still okay, but my second career, so.
Alright, so that's the cold. You're probably like me, you got more money than God.
Not like you.
You ever seen a poor plumber?
No. You took you went into the right profession, correct?
I do okay. Problem is I don't spend no money, so.
You live simply.
Yeah, I don't make as much as people think I do. By the time, you know how much my health insurance is now? I mean, it just went up. I'm paying a single plan. I got a good plan though, but $15,000 a year for health insurance.
No.
Yeah, $12.50 a month.
Holy crap.
And that's a single plan.
Oh my word.
You know how much they want for the family plan? It's 40 grand for the family plan. A year.
Are you kidding me?
Nope. That's Blue Cross Blue Shield Premium though. I can get a cheaper plan. They went up $300 a month this year on me. $300 a month, yeah. They went up $300. So it's a lot, you know. I get a cheaper plan, but if something happens to me, well, right, that's just me right now on the plan. I mean, I got my daughter's older now, so she's married and all that. Yeah, crazy money, huh? $12.50 a month. I mean, that's a lot of dough.
That's absolute insanity.
You know, and then the problem is, I called up, Hawthorne Medical there and say, listen, is there anybody that can help me to try to find another plan, a different provider or something? Because the guy I was using before, no longer doing it, you know?
Yeah.
So they say, oh, St. Luke's will do it for you. They're the only ones that does that. So I called St. Luke's, try to make an appointment. We'll meet someone over there, see it, to run the numbers and see if I could, find a better plan for the buck. Get the best buck for the bargain for the dollar.
Yeah.
So she says, well, how much do you make a year? So I told her. She said, oh, no. You're making too much money a year. We only help out the poor people.
Oh, you're kidding.
No, that's what she told me.
Oh.
From St. Luke's Hospital. I help out the poor people. This is kind of a different one. Wow, that's definitely a different one. Let's see if this works. So can you imagine that? They only help out the poor people.
Oh, the people who don't work.
Right, the bums that don't work.
Yeah, exactly.
Unless you're on the EBT card.
And the people who bust their butt every day.
It'll be on the, you know what EBT stands for?
What?
Eat better tonight.
I'm gonna go shut up a little.
EBT card, eat better tonight.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna shut off the lights in the basement. Do you need it down there?
Yeah, I gotta go back down there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Gotta go back down there, turn the water on.
Ah.
Wow, man, that thing is on there.
Your phone's worse than mine. Well, your dog stopped barking.
Oh, yeah. Hello, can I help you?
Hello?
Yes, can I help you?
Steve, this is Mrs. Elves on Laurelwood Drive. You've been to my house before. I want to know, I'm having trouble with my freezer. Would that be something you would be able to do?
No, you have to call Stan and Paul's for that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I was wondering. Okay, I just
Yeah.
thought maybe, if you did it. Okay.
Give him a call.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, bye. Hoping I can just switch this thing over and put it on there and not have it leak. Alright, so that's off. That's off all the way back. We'll find out. Yeah, so the health insurance has gone crazy, I mean.
I've never heard of anything so awful.
Sometimes you're better off with a big company, and then you got health insurance through the big company.
Oh, yeah,
you still have to pay, and I mean the plans aren't as good as they used to be,
Right.
Yeah, so you almost got to work just for health insurance. I mean, it's really gone bad.
That's crazy. That is. Is there somebody else you can talk to, an insurance person?
No, I called everybody. I called my insurance company, and they said, well, no. Then, they tell you that lady says, the lady from St. Luke's Hospital says, oh, you gotta go online and do it online. She says, if you got any questions, you can call me, she says.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, you know how many plans there are? There's so many different plans.
Yeah, I know.
But the ones online they're kind of cheap plans, They're $300-400 a month. I mean, you're not gonna get a lot for that.
Right, and that's what I was wondering, if you could talk to a person who sells insurance or.
Well, I've tried it, and no one's doing it no more. Everybody's going, because it's
No money in it.
there's no money in it. That's exactly what it is. Yep. That's what this last guy I was working for. That last guy that I was dealing with, he told me there's zero money in it for me, he says. So he didn't want to deal with it. I don't blame the guy. I don't want to work for free either,
Yeah. I know, it's just.
I don't think that Obamacare helped anything. I think it might have made things worse. I don't know. You know, but this state you have to have insurance anyway. Our state anyway. Yeah. Mandatory. Alright, I'm gonna go turn the water on. You can stand right here, and if you hear any water spraying, let me know.
Okay, you got it.
I'm gonna go, if I hear you hollering, I'll shut it off.
Okay.
See if I hear a hollering. No hollering.
So I turned it on.
Just have to check the connections at the machine there. Alright, I don't see any leaks, so that's good. Alright, now you want to leave it off or on?
Off.
Leave it off, okay.